Talk Posse! What's good, everybody? It's Suso in the house, and we're back with another video, baby. Kodak just dropped a song last day, and he had a song called First Day Out, and he went back in. So now he called this one Last Day In. Because the first one is First Day Out, so there might be another day out, there might be a third day out, but Last Day In, that's mean you're not going back in. It's over, it's all done, man. That's what's up, man. That's what's up. Let's go watch straight into the video.
Everybody been like going crazy with this like auto tune and shit. I don't need no tune for the auto. All I'm missing is you. I done made it out that fire like it's magic. If you ain't with me, I don't wanna see you happy. I'm just trying to spend my Easter in Miami. My baby told me stay out the way and stick to rapping. That's why you got the money for if you gon' wait.
Oh wait, he was saying something.
Kodak, ain't you tired of living crazy?
He say, why you gonna get all this money if you're gonna waste it, man? Just stick to rapping. You cannot be making all those money. You're gonna be spending it or wasting it. It's not wasting because we really wanna get you out, but you're gonna spend it on all lawyers and all those stuff again. Just chill out, making money and provide, man. That's what's up.
Boy, you famous now. I'm just trying to spend my Easter in Miami. And I need it on my first day, I be there my last day. I'm in all kind of shit, I'm chilling at the days in. I've been prospering, praying I don't get prosecuted. I can't believe that you could really leave me lonely. You don't even call to see if
one thing I don't know if you guys notice is his voice and the beat too. So in the first day out, I felt there was a more excitement when he was going out, but now it's like there's not too much of an excitement. I don't know if he's used to it too much, if he's used to that cycle or something like that too much, that he's not really too excited. His voice doesn't show me that he's actually really excited because he's out now.
I done stood up in that water with all kind of divers. I done made it out that fire like a firefighter. I'm in clearly quarantined with a bad aid. Off, we ain't popping out until they find a vaccine. I told my lawyer, boy, I love you like a daddy. I'ma catch a charge before
I told you, his lawyers be like really good, probably like one of the best in the world, because they be helping him a lot, man, a lot. So yeah, shout out to them, man. They're pretty good at what they're doing.
I let them take advantage of me. I done came home so much, I already know they tired of me. Ran up out of prison, I ain't say bye to nobody. I want sushi, did some coochie, no more lunch tray, yeah. Had to stop showing everybody where my mom stay, yeah. Trump just freed me, but my favorite president is on the money. All they hate and prejudice has evident time and trying to quit taking.
All the hating prejudice. Okay, and you hear what he just said. Trump just freed me, but my favorite president is on the money, man. I think he's talking about Abraham Lincoln. If you know Kodak, he's usually talking about those free story stuff, being free or freedom, a type of songs like Harriet Tubman, and he had another one too. I forget the name of it. But if you know Kodak, that's all he's about and stuff. That's what's up. That's why he gotta stay out of jail, man, so he can actually preach his stuff, man. He gotta keep preaching, man. Let's go.
Trips with the carbon, but I know you niggas won't miss a chance if you could harm me. Yeah. This my first day out, bitch, I wanna have massage. Ain't no room, I keep shooters in my entourage. Got the white bitch talking like a nigga hoe. I be running with disease like I'm Piccolo. Spend my Christmas in Miami, yeah, Carisha Brownlee. They ain't wait till you went to prison, they left you in a county. I been saving up the money on my Sunday. Know you only wish for you to see me suffering. Whatever I spend on you is less than what you making me. Who spent the biggest bag on you, girl, don't play with me. Cause I don't wanna have to show you that I love you, baby. If you ever cheat on me, that's what I'm gon' do, baby. I don't know, I think it's over for the rap game shit. This my first day out the joint, so that my last day, yeah. Yeah, so I was on the horn with my mama. No, that's my Z queen.
Shout out to his mom, man. She be actually, shout out to all moms, man. They be always with you, man, no matter what. They're not gonna push you into doing something not good, but if you do something not good, they'll be there. That's really good, man. That's what's up.
And she like, son, you got a beautiful voice. I was blowing to her, singing to her. This my last day in, I said. T'as tué m'tout, ton écrasé m'pas vin prison.
T'as tué m'tout, ton écrasé m'pas en prison. Yeah, man. He said, y'all could have killed me. Y'all could have killed me too. And I swear to God, I ain't going back to jail or something like that. But Tone Kazem is actually more in a vulgar way of actually cursing or swearing. It's like, it's more powerful and vulgar at the same time. And I like him putting all those, some Haitian words in there, some Creole words in there. And yeah, Tuyim means y'all could have killed me too, killing. Yeah, something like that. So let's keep going.
Yeah, so creating a healthy and a happy lifestyle. So proud of myself and how far I've come. Always kept it real, even when no one's looking.
Oh, he's proud of himself, how far he's come. Always keep it real, even when nobody's looking. So, and also he said he's gonna actually trying to live a happy and healthy life. That's what's up, man. And also, you know, healthy in prison is actually a hard subject to talk about. So let's leave this for another video. Yeah, I really like that song. And also he said, even when nobody's looking, go in the mirror, looking at yourself in the morning and be like, that's who I am. What people are saying is not like what people are saying about you, or the thing that people say that they see is not actually who you are. Who you are is the person that you see in the mirror every day, and you tell yourself, that's who I am. I am like the most beautiful person on earth, the smartest person on earth. That's what's up. You gotta give yourself credit and show yourself love. Show yourself love. That's what's up. And I like the video. I really like the sad beat, the sad flow, and Kodak did his stuff, and that's what's up. I really like it. And that's the end of the video. If you like this video, comment below, tell me what song should I do next. And I'm not gonna do we out because it's Creole today. No ale.